Pakistan Maritime Museum was established to promote awareness about maritime heritage in general public. The construction of the building began in 1993. The main museum building is located inside the park of 28 acres. It's opened for the general public in 1997. Maritime History Gallery is the first gallery that displays regional history of seafaring in our region, highlighting important events which imposed permanent scars on the history of this region from 3rd century to Talpur period. The Pakistan Navy Gallery is the second gallery of this floor. The showcases of the gallery are decorated with the vintage equipment, model of PN ships, submarines, aircrafts, arms and different devices used on board EXPN ships. A space has also been designed for displaying of the events and achievement of Antarctica expeditions for setting research station at Antarctica continent. Karachi Harbour Gallery is the third gallery on the floor. In the gallery, one of the walls is decorated with the charts depicting the harbour through ages. A painting of Manora Island gives a visual view of the lighthouse and Manora Fort on the island. The Karachi Harbour Gallery leads into Aquarium Gallery, which is the fourth gallery on the floor. This gallery highlights the underwater sea life. There are also 12 small aquariums on the border of the gallery, each containing a specific type of fish fauna. First gallery of the museum starts after corridor, is dedicated to the former chiefs of Pakistan Navy photographs, personal belonging, articles of uniform, gifts and mementos received by them on various occasions and visits. A space has also been created for scientific gallery. This is the sixth and last gallery of the museum. This gallery is specially designed for learning scientific knowledge through working models of different appliances based on simple scientific principles. A replica of Manora Lighthouse has also been built on the premises, which signifies the importance of these nautical landmarks while navigating at sea. Visitors can climb up and enjoy a panoramic view of the museum's breathtaking landscape. The lighthouse greatly enhances the view of the lake and duplicates the atmosphere of Karachi Harbour.
ये लाइट हाउस है, ये लाइट हाउस मनोड़ा में इसकी ओरिजिनल है, ये इसकी फर्स्ट कॉपी है। फर्स्ट कॉपी इसकी तकरीबन हाइट होगी 4th फ्लोर और इसमें 1 से 2 स्टेयर्स हैं। ये रात में जो शिप वगैरह आते हैं, मतलब कि कम पानी में, लो लेवल में, उनको रात में ये रोशनी दिखाने के लिए काम आता है, ताकि कोई भी जहाज़ जो आ रहा हो वो टकराए नहीं चट्टानों वगैरह से, या वो मतलब कि लो पानी में आके जहाज़ वगैरह फंस ना जाए। ये उस काम आता है दिखाने के लिए उनको लाइट्स वगैरह, ताकि उनको रास्ते का पता चले, रात में गाइड करें।
A whale skeleton has been suspended from the ceiling in the canopy of Marine Life Gallery, providing the visitors yet another spiritual sight. This whale had washed up on the shores of Karachi more than a decade ago. Later, it was treated and preserved for the display at this museum. The whale is about 45 feet in length and is occasionally found in tropical waters. The submarine in Pakistan Maritime Museum highlights an unforgettable history. Submarine Operation 1971 is another achievement of Pakistan Navy. The ship of the Indian commander was sunk within 2 minutes after receiving a hit in the magazine where explosives were held. 18 officers and 176 sailors, including the commanding officer, lost their lives. This came as a shattering blow to the Indian Navy.
का बहुत अच्छा माहौल हमारे को लगे। हम स्टील टाउन से आए, नेवी की तरफ से इधर हम लोग आए, और हमारे मामू दुबई से आए थे, इनके हमारे इधर आए थोड़ा घुमाने के लिए। और जगहों से ये वाली जगह बिल्कुल अच्छी है, माहौल भी इसका साफ़ सुथरा है। कोई लड़के वड़के अलाउ नहीं है, फैमिली के साथ फिर अलाउ है सारा।
This time observation machine was used to note the time with the help of shadow of sun when watches and clocks were not invented. It consists of 12 months and 0 to 10 numbers. When you stand in front of the current month, it will show you the exact time of the day. PNS Mujahid is an Eden class mine hunter built at PN Dockyard, Karachi. PNS Mujahid is the first ever Eden class mine hunter. The ship was commissioned on 9 July 1998 with a highly accurate dedication and intervention system. PNS Mujahid can detect and utilize all types of underwater mines.
We come out, we try to come every day, daily. And this is a very nice, truly hygienic, clean and very well maintained place. And it is so open and you know when you look around, you feel good.
This is the entrance of the plane where anyone can take a seat and explore more about the planes. Flight deck can also be seen after crossing small corridor, and at the end, the backside of the plane will give you a view of Asian times. Pakistan Maritime Museum consists of everything a person can think about. They not only get a lot of information about our Navy, but they can also enjoy and spend their quality time. This park never disappoint anyone.